Alright guys, so now we're doing inner fender wells. Pretty straightforward. You tuck up into here, and then the bed. This bed bolt actually goes through here. And same on this side. So, I'm thinking it should only take probably like 20 minutes. Well, probably longer, but whatever. So, let's get started. Alright, so got that one in, that one in. The whole liner is in. Looks really, really good. Very happy with these. We got these little clips here. You just gotta pop them into these holes here. So got all of them popped in there. I did 3 right there, 2 right there, and then 1 goes there, but the tire's in the way. So we'll get that when we put the wheels and tires on. Otherwise, looks good. We can move on to the other side. We'll leave it. Anyway, and here's the finished product. They look really good. I would say definitely a must-have. Makes the truck look better and protects it.